Hello everyone! First, we're gonna introduce ourselves. My name is Irene.
And my name is Vyna.
And today we're gonna make Sesame chicken! So, to make the sesame chicken, we have to prepare all the ingredients. We have the 4 pieces of chicken, cornstarch, salty soy, eggs and garlic, seasoning, pepper, and of course the salt.
And for the seasoning, we have to prepare sugar, sesame oil, water, honey, pepper, salty soy, and ketchup.
Now, you have to cut the chicken into dots. Chop 3 cups of garlic. Crack 3 eggs. Put the garlic. Add the salty soy. And the last is the seasoning. Salt. And mix them well.
One eternity later.
Mix it till it looks like this.
Okay.
And now you have to dip chicken in flour.
After the oil is ready, dip the chicken into the hot oil.
This time we're gonna make the seasoning for the chicken. First, put 2 tablespoons sugar. Four tablespoons sesame oil. Two tablespoons honey. 4 tablespoons soy. 3 tablespoons ketchup. Udah gini aja.
A few inches later.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
And last but not least, half teaspoon of pepper. And now mix it well.
Now Pour the seasoning in the pan. Oh my god. Water. Pour the water. And now stir the seasoning. After boil, put in the chicken and mix. And now turn off the fire. Wait for a second. Move it to another bowl. And now the sesame chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy!
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Boom!